It's one thing to see it on paper, but then to actually be able to do it.
See those oscillations? Those oscillations? You can design whatever you want on a piece of paper, and that doesn't mean that it's practical in the real world, you know?
Most universities have a mechanisms course or dynamics of machines course. The thing that we do different here is we have a lab that goes with it. So instead of just doing the theoretical analysis, they actually have to design, fabricate, and physically test the mechanisms for their performance.
Nope. That did not work at all.
Yeah, I really like how CSU has so many labs and we can apply what we've learned to the lab. And in this class, instead of just drawing linkages on pieces of paper, we can actually do them in programs and make them and see them hands-on.
Keep in mind, we had our X and Y mixed up before.
Why?
CSU is extremely hands-on university. That does mean there's an added level of work, but there's an immense increase in understanding of concepts that you're going to learn.
I personally learn by doing, and I learn by putting my hands on something and seeing it and seeing how it's working, why it's not working, you know, how to make it better.
I think it says a lot that we're able to not only just work out problems on paper, understand the mathematics and the science behind what we're creating, but then to actually go and physically, create it with our hands. That adds a whole nother level to the learning.
It's awesome to be able to, just walk on down the hall, first of all, to just, machine whatever you want. And then after you design whatever it is you design in that shop, coming here and testing it is just pretty cool to actually be able to see, come together in the end.
I'm going to have to come on center and then manually back it out.
If your ultimate goal is to be a real-world practicing engineer, who wants to get into the thick of things and actually see and touch and feel what's happening, you're going to do well here.
It worked out well that I love both math and building things, so hey, engineering.